Kapahaka in general is how us Maori tell our stories. The poi is one of the many tools that we use to tell our stories. Kia ora, I'm Kimaia Kōpua.
Kia ora, ko Gracie Kōpua tōku ingoa hewiri māua no Ngāti Porou. Today we will be talking about the poi.
So how the men have their taiaha and stuff, we have our poi, and that's our way to show our taha wahine, our elegant side.
Men were the first to do the poi, so they use poi as a device to strengthen their wrist, to prepare them for war. So these days it got handed down to the women. Wake up, mate!
A single short poi, which is just an average length poi, and then you can move on to double short poi, which is 2 pois at an average length, and then you can go into a single long, which is obviously longer than an average size poi, and then you move to a double long, 2 long pois.
So nowadays you make a poi with the ball, and then you cover the ball with a plastic bag, and then the rope is from a wool, and you 4-plait or 3-plait, and then the pom-pom is out of wool as well.
Our tupuna used to use rocks inside of them because they didn't have phone back in their days.
People use beads to like change it up, have a bit of like fun. Kapahaka and the poi has been in our life since we were born, pretty much.
Yeah. So it's not something that someone's been like, here, learn this poi. Yeah. It's pretty much just been our toy since we were little. We're kind of growing up with it.
You can tell a story rather than saying the words. Like you can tell a story with your body, with your actions. That's what I love the most with poi, and no one else does poi, so no one else can tell a story with poi, so that's what I love. As Maori, we're different, we are unique, and yeah, I think ki te ngaro te poi, ka ngaro hoki ngā āhuatanga o ngā mātua tipuna.